I've got my April Eyescream Beauty Box. So if you want to see what it's all about, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room talking with a friend, and Bandit's at home with my husband. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you like it and stay here a little while. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Eyescream Beauty is a beauty box, which means you're going to get cosmetics. Sometimes there's a skincare item, but usually it's all makeup. So it's a very makeup forward box. It is $25 a month. They have not raised their prices despite other companies having to raise their prices. They have stayed steady at $25 with no shipping. If you get the bag, which is $12.50, there is shipping on that. I just get the box. This month, though, they both looked so good. But I restrained myself and just kept with my regular box. Okay, so there you go. There's a little thing in there that tells you about it. Here is your little sneak peek. This is by Earth Harbor. This is their Glow Juice. It's a refining enzyme mask. This is an overnight mask, so this is it's a very kind of loose, jelly-like formula. So it's this beautiful purple. My nails are awful. Don't pay attention to them at all. This is a $40 value, and it does say it can help with dull skin, redness, acne, pores, and excess oil. And again, it's a great overnight mask. Next, by Chica Beauty Studio, is a 6-color contour palette. And it opens up almost like it's a little notebook. Alright, there we go. It looks like there's like something going on with this palette, but it doesn't really look like a fingerprint. It just looks more like, I don't know. It's pretty though. It's a very pretty contour palette. It says Contour Palette by Edry's Beauty Diaries, E-D-R-Y-S, but it also says on here Chica Beauty Studios, so I'm not really sure who it's by. It's a $10 value, and it is a Puerto Rican brand new to their box. They're perfect for travel, and the writing in here translates to, with much love for you precious, remember to have fun, makeup is art. Glad heart makes a happy face. Next, by Sauce Box Cosmetics. This is the tarot palettes. So there was one of 3 possible ones. There was the Magician, the Lover's palette, and the Moon palette. It doesn't really say what the differences are. I have to look those up, and if I can find screenshots of them. And these are $25 value. So this right here pays for the box, never mind the $40 item, the $10, $40 glow recipe. Oh, this is pretty. So first of all, the mirror kind of has some pretty designs around it. And look at that. So pretty. It's a great palette. I love it. And it looks kind of like a little book, too. Next, by Kevin and Coco. This is a high pigmentation, easy to blend something. I don't know what. I like high pigmentation. Speaking my language right there. Oh, baby, look at that. So I'm guessing this is a highlighter palette. Purple highlighter palettes by K&C Beauty. Looks like it's a $17 value. And all right, I'm going to have to do a little swatching here. So I had to get right into that two-tone one. Oh, it's not picking it up. There we go. Now I'm getting into that one. And we'll get into this peachy one right here. Oh, that has like a little bit of gold tone. And then we'll do kind of this whitish one here. Oh, Look at that Fuji, it's like a yellow. So pretty. Then the last thing in here are two new releases from Niantic Beauty. I love the way they're packed. They look like little candies. These are the Candy Chrome Loose Multi-Chrome Pigments. 2 for $24. These are an exclusive, so you get these here before you can buy them on their website. The multi-chromes shift between 3 to 4 colors depending upon how light hits them. There were 5 different colors that are coming to Niantic Beauty in mid-May. And 2 for $24 for a multi-chrome is an incredible price. So, you can't go wrong with that. I guess you could. Now, if that 3 colors is what this is, I'm going to be super excited. There is how it looks. And it is loose, so I don't want to... Now that's looking green to you. It's looking blue to me. There we go. Now you're picking up some of that blue. Blue, green, gold. Oh, so pretty. Okay, and then this one definitely looks like it's got some of the colors in the packaging. So when I'm showing it to you this way, it's got like a rust color. When I'm looking at it this way, it's almost got like a green. Okay, there's definitely, from where I'm seeing it, like I'm seeing like a green gold, but then as I move my hand, I'm seeing the rust, and I don't know how well that is picking up. On camera. So super excited about this box. I think there were some really great choices in here. And I am loving this box. Last month they had the Saints Angel Sinners palette. This month they have these Niantic palettes or singles. So they're really getting into those multi-chromes, which I just adore. So that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.